everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's comfort@nutricomply.com again. If this is your first time, you are powerfully welcome. In my last video, I made a savory, delicious roasted vegetable salad. If you have not watched the video, I will encourage you to do that. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description box below. So today I'm going to use the same ingredients to make another nutritious and delicious recipe. One of my goals on this channel is to always make use of available ingredients that we have in our pantry to create different delicious and nutritious recipe. Without any further delay, let's just dive in straight into today's recipe. God bless you. Quickly, I would like to walk you through the ingredient I will be using. I have 2 unripe plantain here, 1 cucumber, 2 carrots, green onions, 2 red bell pepper, 2 green bell pepper, 1 white onion. I have my fish, mackerel fish here. I have my vegetable oil, and lastly my spices and seasoning. So for the full recipe, I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description box below. I've already cleaned my fish. The next thing to do is to season it. So here, to season it, I have a combination of black pepper, seasoning and salt. So I will be seasoning the fish with that. The first thing that we do is to fry my fish using my air fryer. But if you don't have air fryer, you can make use of your oven, or you can pan fry it if you don't have oven as well. So I'm going to set the temperature to 365 degrees, and I will allow it to fry for 20 minutes. So while the fish is cooking, the next thing to do is to go ahead to peel my plantain. I will be boiling the plantain. I've already washed the plantain. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water to my plantain and boil it for like 12 to 15 minutes. Now that my plantain is cooking, the next thing I will be doing is to chop my vegetables and tomatoes. I'm not going to grind, I only want to chop it roughly. So I will be boiling the pepper. I want all the water to dry off before I make my sauce. Now my plantains are ready, and also the fish. So I've removed all the bones. So what I will be doing now, I want to mash the two together. So I will using my food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, you can just use ordinary fork, or you can use potato masher. I will also add some seasoning and spices. I have paprika here, curry powder. I have salt and chicken seasoning. Finally, I will add part of my green onion to it. So I'm going to transfer the mixture inside the bowl. I've changed my glove because I will be molding the plantain now. This is what I have here. Now I will be using my air fryer to fry half of it, while baking the remaining half using my oven. You can as well fry it, but normally if you are watching your weight, you don't want to increase the calorie contents of your food. So I will advise you, if you are watching your weight, it's better you either air fry it or bake it inside the oven in order to reduce the calorie content of the food. But all the same, if you don't have air fryer and you don't have oven, you can go ahead and fry it. You will still enjoy it, but it's only that it's going to absorb more oil and also increase the calorie content of the food. And this is it. So I'm going to 360°F and also fry it for 15 minutes. So the remaining half, I'm going to bake it inside my oven. I've preheated my oven to 365°F. I will also bake for 15 minutes. Now I will be making my sauce, and to do that I will be adding 8 tablespoons of oil into my pan. Now I will add the remaining part of my green onion and the white onion and allow it to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. I will go ahead and add my boiled pepper. I will add my seasoning and spices. I will allow it to cook for like 8 to 10 minutes and the sauce will be ready. This is the final product that I have today. I have the sauce, my cucumber, the carrots, and my baked mashed plantain and fish. So it's a complete meal. I'll be tasting the food. The recipe is so nice and delicious. There's no difference between that of oven baked and air fried. You know, they came out nice and crispy outside. One thing that I like about this recipe is like it doesn't take like plantain. It has a kind of unique taste, very unique taste, and it is so delicious. So I encourage you to give it a try in your kitchen, and you are going to really love it and enjoy it. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you. If you really like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Till my next video, when I will be bringing you another delicious recipe. God bless you. Bye.